Oh yeah, actually that was the helpful, right? Because explaining it from here is a little bit
Hard to
difficult.
say. Perfect spot.
Real high.
Is he gonna die? I thought he was gonna die.
Oh, I think he's gonna die.
He is?
Oh no. Was it too close? Well, he's alive, so that's good.
Yeah, he's fine. This is what I'm scared of, that he's gonna get stuck over there. Oh my god. No wonder. Okay, he's fine. He's good.
Where? There's no
He's
hand.
gonna come out to your left. There he is.
Okay.
Is he okay? Give us a thumbs up.
He looks fine. He's moving, means he's fine.
I'm sure that I slammed him into the rock a little. Look,
Oh my god.
he's so close to the edge.
They should not be seeing that. I don't like that. That's a bad idea.
He wasn't that far from that little rock sticking out. He's not so far enough. He's so bring us from go.
Okay, they're probably gonna do it again.